You know, somebody said in one of my videos, you always have like a face in your thumbnails. And I'm like, yeah, because I never know what I'm gonna get. Like, I do the unboxing and y'all see it when I see it. So I'm always like, what's it gonna be? I don't know. Hey, can I show y'all something? Y'all know I have a little bit of an obsession with Temu. Check this out. I literally just did an unboxing. The video's not even gonna be up yet on my vlog channel. I still have to edit and everything, but you guys know my love with Temu. It's an app you can download, not sponsored, but let me just tell you, I love that. And you can find deals, like if you download Rakuten, hold on, let me just double check, because it was 13% cash back with Temu, and today it's 13% cash back. So if you want to sign up for Rakuten, I do have a $30 sign up bonus. So once you spend $30 or more at Temu, which is easy peasy to do, you get $30 back. And I'm not sponsored with Rakuten either, but it is like a kickback. So if you share your referral, you'll get 30 and your friend gets 30. Same with me. It's not an affiliate, it's just the referral link that everybody gets. So thank you if you do use it. I always tell everybody over my vlog channel, if you sign up with my Rakuten referral, that's how I, put towards my kids' Christmas, because I have adults pretty much. It just makes me sad, y'all. Like, my baby child, my 17-year-old is gonna be 18 in less than 6 months. And I'm like, before we jump into today's video, if you guys are curious as to what is on my eyeballs, it is my collection with OFRA Cosmetics, which is available. I have a lot on. So I got My World on, I've got Mom Life, I got Bam Bam and Soulmate all on my eyes. And hey, have you checked out my girl Jody? I confused you all. Because like when we first became friends, I always said she was, my girlfriend with 3 names, because I didn't know exactly how to say it. So it was Jody, Yari, and Yadi is what I would say, because I didn't know. And then like a little bit in, I finally asked, and it's Jody, to those of you that were wondering. Okay, so anyways, definitely make sure to check out Project Influencer 2023. She's got a beautiful palette, and Flexi Slicks is how you say it. I actually have a Flexi Stick on today on top of Hotmess Momma, my liquid lippy here with OFRA. Code HOTMESS is going to save you 20% site-wide. That's including all of the Project Influencers collabs and their favorite picks. And you guys, I'm telling you, pick up the Flexi Slicks. I call them Flexi Sticks. They're Flexi Slicks. Johnny was correcting me today. She's like, I got you, girl. I was calling it the same thing for a while there. But her palette is so beautiful. Hands down, perfectly curated. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. Definitely go over, check out her channel, give her a huge congratulations. She's amazing. But anyways, you are here for the Chic Beauty Box, and I'm sure somebody's gonna tell me about it in the comment section. Shushy, shushy. It's a Monday, and it's my channel. Welcome to the Hot Mess. Welcome to the judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone, where I freaking love this. I got it in a 6, and I guess I need a 5. But I love this little set. But welcome if you're new here. Welcome to the rambles. Welcome to the 15 left-hand turns. Welcome to fun, okay? All right, so shout out and thank you to my YouTube members, those of you that have signed up to be part of the YouTube membership program. Thank you guys so much for the love, the support. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate y'all so much. If signing up for a monthly membership on YouTube is not your forte, that's okay, and you want to still donate, they've got what's called the thanks button here on YouTube. Please never feel like you have to do that at all. It is just a way that you can tip your creator if you choose to, and I just want to give you guys a special little shout out and thank you for that as well, because I appreciate you guys, especially those of you that just keep returning and you're nice in the comment section. All right, so the Chic Beauty Box, about 4 minutes in, is a monthly subscription. Oh, a monthly subscription. It's like $34.99. Yes, it's starting at $34.99. You'll get 5 to 6 full-size products that are brand name beauty products. You can also select a bi-monthly, 6 or 12-month option. So code HOTMESS is, oh, It's not a monthly box. I'm so sorry. It's not monthly. It's bi-monthly. I just got to read that. Hooked on Phonics is a struggle sometimes. But code HOTMESS will save you like 10% off your first box, non-affiliate. All right. So the first thing I see here is by Suva Beauty. I read toppers and I hadn't gotten beauty out of my pie hole yet. So they're just like, yeah. All right. So get my little scissors. And this, it's pressed pigment palette. This is really nice. I remember when I first started YouTube back in 2017, I feel like Suva Beauty was super popular. Like everybody talked about it. So this was not in a protective padding, but hopefully it's okay. And it is. Where are you going?
School.
Oh shoot. Hold on please. Okay, sorry about that, y'all. My boy was leaving for his classes. And if you've been with me for a while, y'all know that I have to like, love you. You know, all that. So anywho, we've got 4 shades here. There's no smell. I mean, it says daiquiri, lemon drop, cotton candy, and mojito. So that's what they look like. And they're really, really pretty. So let's go ahead and swatch them. Ooh, they feel nice. Actually, that's pretty. So that's like pink. That's a champagne-y yellow. That's like a purple. Green. So honestly, you know what it reminds me of? There's like an ABH palette, but these aren't real chunky. Oh wow, they swatch nice. I really like the lemon drop shade a lot. So here's the swatches. This is really pretty. I love that they are not a chunky highlighter at all. This is really pretty. Let's open the box. Okay, here's the inside. It does have a little card and it does tell you the prices of everything on the back. Okay, first in here, we've got the Maybelline Medium Brown Hyper Easy Eyeliner. I like that. Honestly, I like that they put a brown shade in here because I feel like everybody always throws black in here. So this does have a $10 retail value. So when it comes to Chic Beauty Box, you will see named brands, but some are drugstore, some are more on the affordable side. Next in here, we do have a trio of makeup brushes, which I am going to put aside, and I'm going to have a giveaway coming up for you guys, a little bit bigger of one than I typically do. So stay tuned for that. Stick around, subscribe. All I ask of y'all is you just subscribe to my channel, and then there will be one here. Next in here, we got the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. Now they sent this to me in PR, so I didn't get to make any pics on the foundation. Oof. Okay. This isn't gonna work for me, but that's okay. You can always use this as a makeup mixer. Now the Chic Beauty Box, I do believe you actually get to customize this box as far as that goes. Yeah, you actually customize everything. Do you see that brain fart right there, right in action? It was like darn near gone like a fart in the wind. Okay, so I personally think I already have this shade, so I will just gift this. I'm sorry I didn't put my phone on silent. I will just gift this, and if you happen to get it, don't worry, you can just use it as a makeup fixer. A makeup, what's that called? Mixer. I think I did say mixer. Sounds familiar. All right, so this has a $44 retail value. And I forgot to tell you guys, this Suva Beauty palette has a $35 retail value. And then we have, ooh, the It Cosmetics Pillow Lips Solid Serum in 1111. Okay, listen, I don't know if all y'all are into angel numbers, but I tell you what, I've been seeing them nonstop. 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 222, 555. I'm like, hello. Ooh, this is cute. I like this. It kind of reminds me of Tarte. Oh, yeah. I like that color too. That's really comfortable, and it's a bit more of like kind of like a balm. I mean, it's got pigmentation there, but it's more of like, when it said serum, I honestly was thinking it was going to be more like liquidy. You know what I mean? But no, that's more of like a balm, and I really like that. I really, really like that. So this has a retail value of $26. All right, and I forgot to tell you guys, these are from Alamar Cosmetics. They're the Spanglish Brush Trio, and they do have a retail value of $18. So that's really, I mean, honestly, I don't know. I like the box, guys. I mean, it's $34.99, and you are customizing this box. So I didn't, because I got it in PR, but for me, $34.99, you're customizing it. This is something that I feel like a lot of people asked for in like 2019 and 2020. Like, I want more customization. And I feel like Chic Beauty Box does give that to you. And I do like that we only saw like one drugstore product in there. I don't know what it was up against. Sometimes in the past, their cards would say it was this or this kind of deal. But I have seen brands in here like NARS. I'm trying to think of some other ones. Well, it's gone. I forgot. But we've seen like high-end brands. Too Faced has been in here too. So anywho, let me know what you think. This is a September-October box. It came in pretty quick, in my opinion. I think the card is really nice. So if you're interested in signing up, there will be a link down below. And if you made it to the end of today's video, thank you. I appreciate it a lot. Let me put this and this. So I'm gonna set these two items aside for a future giveaway. Actually, I'll go ahead and put this in here too. So stay tuned. There will be a giveaway coming very, very soon. And yeah, if you guys made it, thank you. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. Hotmess in the Kitchen, where I've been I need to schedule that video. I've been doing what I eat in a day. So that will be, should I upload it tonight? Yeah, I'm gonna upload it tonight. So it's gonna be coming up at 6:45 tonight, so Eastern Standard Time. Thank you once again to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. Thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button, and thank you to those of you that are just stopping by and decide to stick around and keep coming back. I definitely appreciate it. Everything will be linked and listed down below. My collection with OFRA Cosmetics and the Project Influencer, Jottie's collection, everything. Just check it out down below. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
Fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the